Hello everyone, this is Maria Jingle and welcome to another under $20 meals in my YouTube channel. Today I am cooking and I'm going to show you how to cook chicken caldereta. What is chicken caldereta? Chicken caldereta is actually an original dish from the Philippines. That's where it came from. It is in between braised chicken and also chicken stew all together. I'm going to show you how to make it the easiest way and the simplest process of cooking it. So let's go ahead and let's cooking. Alright, let's start cooking. Everything right here is actually under $20 because this is the show is all about. Okay, so let's cook. I'm using medium-high heat. We'll use about 2 tablespoons of oil. Alright. Garlic. Then we need our chicken. This is a 10 pounds chicken. And right away, I put about 2 tablespoons of bouillon powder. One teaspoon of black pepper. And mix. Let's put 1 cup of water. And let this simmer for about 15 minutes under medium-high heat. Just cover this and we'll come back to that about 10 to 15 minutes and stir. Alright. Now at this moment, I'm going to put soy sauce. This would about 1 tablespoon. And then we're going to put our tomato sauce. I got 2 tomato sauce here, the small ones. This would feed your family and more with this dish. This is a hearty dish, actually, that has everything already. Vegetables, the meat, and I got, usually back in the Philippines, we eat this with steamed white rice. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna show you how. Okay, this is easy. It's just kind of long because you have to cook the chicken, of course. Other than that, I encourage you to try this dish. This is a beautiful, tasty, delicious dish. I'm going to add about 1 more tablespoon of soy sauce, and then a tablespoon of white sugar. Why put white sugar? Actually, sugar will bring out an umami flavor in the whole dish. It helps bring out the umami flavor of this dish. I will add an additional seasoning of onion powder, more bold flavor, even delicious. And hey, spices is good for you. It's good for your body. Garlic. So we'll use that. And mix this, and then we cover this. That's simple. Just leave it. You can also slow cook this if you have a slow cooker. Just put everything together on your slow cooker. Alright. I have a lot of chicken right here. It will feed an army for an under $20 dish. That's amazing. And you know what? The best part of it? It's under $20 and a lot of food, and it's delicious and nutritious. And that's what we need nowadays. We'll cook this for another 15 minutes. Okay, let's check our chicken. All right. Okay. This is about 10 to 12 pieces of leg quarters. And because they are kind of large, I cut it 3 ways. 3 parts. Okay, so that's our chicken after roughly 15 to 20 minutes all together. Okay, so I'm going to add sugar. So this is gonna be the 2nd tablespoon of sugar. because it's a lot of quantity of chicken and liquid. So we have to balance everything. I'll put the potato. This is our vegetables, and then the carrots. So this is a perfect meal because it has everything. And then the carrots. I just hope that my pot is big enough. It should be okay. Let's mix it. I don't want to mix it roughly. I don't have room anymore, and this is only 3 potatoes. And I have more vegetables coming. Okay, I'll close this for another 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to check the chicken. Perfect. So I am cooking this the easiest way as possible, but there are more ingredients of caldereta depending on the chef and depending on actually who are you serving. And today I am trying to, because I'm trying to budget the money. Usually this has liver spread. Aside from the flavor, it helps thicken the sauce. What we're gonna do is that we are going to use cornstarch to thicken the sauce. It doesn't compromise the flavor or anything at all. Okay, now it looks pretty. We're going to put the rest of our vegetables. We are going to put our green bell peppers. So look at this. This is like a fiesta already. The dish itself is a fiesta. It's like a party. Alright, so we'll put that. Oh my goodness. Slow. This is perfect meal to serve your family if you're looking for another recipe because you're tired of eating fried chicken or anything like that and you're looking for a nutritious and healthy meal. This counts. Alright, so because I thought I have a big pot and it would just be fine. However, I did anticipate it, but I was wrong. So I'm going to transfer it. It happens, it's okay. And we are going to do this like this. So they can breathe. So now, here we are in another pot, bigger pot. Okay, so perfect. Now they are breathing just fine. Okay, there we go. Now this is much better. All right, happy fiesta. Actually, this pot is kind of big. This is for my catering, and for parties, of course. That's what this is for. And I'm glad I have this because I didn't know that it wouldn't fit in this pot. Okay, so we're almost there. I'm going to make the adjustment, of course, before I share it to all of you guys. That way, if you're going to try the dish, it would be perfect for all of you. Okay. Voila. All right, steaming hot. Okay, so we have green peas. I took out the water, the liquid. 1 can of garbanzo beans, chickpeas. You know what? 1 can of green peas. And we're gonna have some olives. 1 cup of olives. This is optional. Olives is optional. Green chickpeas is optional. Green peas, it's up to you guys, to all my American friends or non-Filipino friends that's watching me right now. If you are not familiar of chickpeas, I'm sure you are, you know green peas. So, but if you are adventurous enough, as I said, this is a very tasty dish. I need about half a teaspoon of salt. That's a touch. This is not necessarily sweet. In 2 minutes, we are finished. We are going to put cornstarch. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Not so much water because there's more liquid in here already. And then we're gonna go plate. This is delicious. Alright, we are done. And I am going to plate. So I am finished. I am going to plate so I can show it all to you. Oh, it smells good. Okay, so this is a family style plating. This is delicious paired with white rice. But it takes about, I would say, roughly 40 minutes. This is heavy. I'm not gonna put it all in here because it doesn't fit, but this is a family size. Thank you everyone for joining me in my channel today. This is our under $20 meal dish for today. Chicken caldereta. Braised chicken, stewed chicken. Either way, it's delicious. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on another under $20 meal next week. Chicken caldereta. Actually, there's more in the pot that I made. And you can really feed an army with this dish. First bite, and I'll tell you the taste. I want some carrots. potato, everything in one bite, and some rice. I want some sauce. We'll get some sauce here. The sauce is the most important part with the chicken. You gotta have the sauce. Okay, it's hot. It's delicious. One more bite. Heaven! Yummy. Just the sauce itself. And the rice. Thank you so much for joining me on my channel today. If you have not subscribed to my channel, hit subscribe and don't forget to like and share it to everyone. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so every time I upload a new video in my channel, you'll be notified. I'll finish my meal. You can't beat this. It's under $20. You have a good day. Maraming salamat po for watching me and mabuhay.